Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to solve a 1x1 Rubik's Cube, which is the easiest of the puzzle cubes to solve. Well, actually that's not true. The 0x0 Rubik's Cube is actually much easier, but there's really nothing to it. So for now, I will just teach you how to solve the 1x1. Now there's only one step to solving it, and before I get to that, you're going to need to learn some notation. The letters you see pointing to the cube in the upper left-hand corner stand for the side that it points to. So this is the front side, this is the up side, this is the right side, this is the left side, this is the back side, and this is the down side. Now I'm not going to be using all the letters in this step, but you will need to know them for solving cubes like the 3x3 or the 2x2. Now these letters will be used in what are called algorithms, and algorithms are just a series of moves designed to get a specific piece in a place without messing up the progress that you've already done to the cube. So whenever you see one of those letters in an algorithm, that means to move its corresponding face clockwise. So when you see F, that means to move the front side clockwise, like that. And for U, you move the up side 90 degrees clockwise, like this. Now, it might be kind of confusing which way to do it for the right, left, down, and back sides, so just imagine that you're facing it. So then, if you turn it around like this is B. And then, from this angle, this is B. Now, whenever you see an I to the right of a letter, that means to do the move inversely. In other words, do it counterclockwise 90 degrees. So this is Fi. And then this is Ui. And then the same goes for, like, the downside. This is DI, and then this is D. And whenever you see a 2 in front of the letter, that means to do the side 180 degrees either way. So then this is 2F. And then 2F again would just be this. In the first and only step in solving the 1x1 Rubik's Cube, you match up all the sides correctly so that the cube will become solved. The algorithm used in this step is UI. Now before I show you how to do this step, I want you to try it on your own. If you're able to figure it out, you will be able to solve the 1x1 much more faster and efficiently. But if you can't figure it out, go ahead and watch this. Now, even though I said that you should be able to solve it on your own, you should be able to solve most of it. I mean, you can just do random moves and you'll have most of it solved. But if you get stuck, you just use that algorithm I showed you, which is UI. And after doing that, your 1x1 Rubik's Cube should become solved. If you ever see a case like this in your 1x1 Rubik's Cube, that means it's unsolvable. So you're going to need to take it apart and reassemble it correctly. I have made a tutorial on how to do so. It's available on the bottom of the screen, although if you want to continue watching the video, it's also available in the movie description. So there you have it. You can now solve your 1x1 Rubik's Cube and impress all your friends. Congratulations! But you can cheat on this. You can just follow the instructions that I made in that other tutorial on how to take apart and reassemble it. But believe me, it's not nearly as impressive as actually being able to solve it. In case you're wondering where I got that algorithm, it came from this program here called Cube Explorer. Now I know Cube Explorer is only meant for a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but if you just think all the pieces that make it up as the one piece that makes up the 1x1 and hit Add and Solve, you get that algorithm. So join me next time, and we'll take on a bigger challenge. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you clicked on that little yellow button to the right of my videos? Let's find out. You may not subscribe to yourself. Well, it doesn't look like I have that privilege, so it's up to you. Have a click on it. Why not?